very important to make sure that you feel here resistance and that you looked at the film going through all the way and following each picture if the film is going. Today I'm going to a medieval park to do some black and white photos. A lot of photographers, long lens, wide angle, zoom, thousands of pixels, backpack. I got some good pictures with costumes, just taking away all the things that look modern. That's it, I'm back from the event. It was really fun. For a medieval event where it's all in color, I think maybe that was a little bit of a mistake because all those beautiful dresses were really colorful and it was sunny. But I thought, you know, might as well look ancient myself and brought the M4-2 Leica. I shot one roll. I'm going to process it. All went well. I'm really happy because, because I pushed one stop, so I was afraid the result would not be good.